Hey there everyone, this is Bernice from the Nappy Mouse, and in today's video I want to show you how to make this cute and adorable looking tag. It's great for presents, great for embellishing gift bags, but yeah, this is really fun, really sweet. I'm calling it My Anchor Love Note Tags. This one, oh, the glue has not dried. I made a few of these, but yes, I'm going to show you how to make this. And the first thing that you're going to do is you'll need a 12 by 12 12 inch by 12 inch cardstock. The one that I'm using is from Griffin, and this is AG 2062. I'm going to get my glasses just to make sure that this is right. Yes, AG 2062. So that's the one I'm going to be using. And then also you'll need about 1 inch of cardstock to create this the rosette. Now I'm going to put a link on it just to save time, but yeah, I have a link down below so you can create these rosettes really quick and easy, and great way to use up your scraps. The next thing that you'll need is these 3D foam dots. Now I still have some of these dots, or excuse me, foam hearts. I still have some at the store, so you'll be able to check them out on my online store if you are interested. It does come with 2 packs of these hearts, and they're in various sizes, a total of 48 pieces. Okay, you make a lot of cards out of this one, and yeah, you'll still have some hearts left over. And then what else? And a scrap piece of paper so we can go ahead and create this little background here, a little matting. And then the last thing, you'll need a 12-inch twine. I am using the one from Knot and Bow, and this is natural and silver. Okay, and then just your regular, you'll need a hole punch, you need some glitter, trimmer, scoreboard with a bone folder, and some glue, and yes, that's about it. If I'm missing anything, then I'll go ahead and just explain it as we go. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Now, I have cut a few of these out, but I'm going to explain it quickly. The first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and remove this from the, what is this, the barcode part of it. Go ahead and remove that. And from the top side, what you're going to do is get your trimmer. I'm using the one from Stampin' Up. This is a retired one, and of course this is not what I sell in my shop because you need to be a Stampin' Up demonstrator. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and you're going to score it at 3 inches right here, and then go all the way to 9 inches. I hope you can see it. I'm sure you can. Go ahead and score it, and then bring it back to the 6 inches. Then you'll go ahead and cut it. Okay, once you do that, then you'll have 2 pieces. This is going to be one of the piece here, and at the 12-inch side, go ahead and you will cut it at 3 inches. I'll show you quickly, 3 times. Okay, you'll end up with 8 cards. Okay, put this one back. Whoops. Okay, next thing that you want to do, I'm going to just show you with one of them, not all of them, just for time's sake, but go ahead and fold and burnish all of your cards. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just do this one here. And then once you've done that, go ahead and take your hole punch and make sure you're at the top left-hand corner. I have goofed before, so that's why I'm kind of pointing this out. It's the top left-hand corner, and go in about 1/4 of an inch, that much. There you go. And then go ahead and do that to all of the cards. And I know this sounds like something that you would do in the end, but it's actually quite easier to do it now, because when you get all that glue down and everything, you kind of want to keep it still after you've done. So take your twine, and in the ends, go ahead and tie a knot. This particular twine tends to unravel. Unless you like that look, I would go ahead and tie a knot. And this actually helps with the nautical feel of this whole card. Okay, fold it in half like this, and then from the folded part and the top, you're going to insert it into that hole right there, bring it over, and then open it up a little bit, and take the strings over here and go ahead and pull it, and there you go. There you have it. Now, I've created some rosettes. This particular rosette, I actually used a Martha Stewart edge punch. So I punched the edges. First I scored it, then I went ahead and punched the edges, and then I went ahead and folded it. So that was one that I've done. I'm going to use this one. This is a different Martha Stewart edge punch that I've used also. But yeah, I'll go ahead and use that one. I just like the way it looked. I know I used the yellow one for this one, but we're gonna make it just a little different. Okay, let's get our liquid adhesive and let's add some glue here. There we go. And I'm gonna put something heavy just to make sure that it stays down and that the glue is stuck down properly. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is get my 3D foam dots, and you will need some kind of scrap paper to catch the excess glitter that comes out, and this way it'll help you put it back in so there's really no glitter waste. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to put some of this stuff away here. And the glitter that I'm using is actually from Martha Stewart. This one is called Garnet. Now I do not carry this in my store. I have this as part of my stash. I have it. I've got a lot of it, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. Now this, the foamed hearts have a protective layer, so we'll go ahead and pull that layer out. You can save this for another project. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm not sure if I'm going to save it or not. If you have any ideas, I would love to hear from that, because I do have other kinds of designs in these 3D foam stickers. Okay, go ahead and pour your glitter. And as you're pouring, or excuse me, when you have your glitter down, go ahead and spread it out with your fingers, making sure that you apply a little bit of pressure to make sure that all of the glitter stays stuck down, okay? You will have some excess, and I'm making sure that I get to even to the edges. But yeah, this is really easy to do, really quick to do. All right, let's get that excess glitter off. All right, and then we'll go ahead and fold it and put this back in here. Now I'm going to get my other oops, let's get that. Now I'm going to use a smaller, so I'm going to get, let's see, I did use copper, so, oh, there's my copper. Okay, so I'm going to peel this up and pour it. And it does protect the other one, so it doesn't go through, it doesn't go underneath. Yeah, the glitter is really, it stays in its place once you, oh poopy, I did not mean to do that. Oh well, there we go. That happens sometimes, sorry about that. Oop, got glitter all over me. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is, I'll get my card back. I am going to need to trim off some of this blue here, only because in one of the cards that I've made, it actually showed through, and I really don't want it to show through. So let's see if we can take that out. Okay, there we go. That should be fine. That shouldn't show. Let's see. Let's test it out. Peel that off, and then go ahead and carefully put that on there. Oh, and go up there. Not so concerned if any of the blue pops out here, because we're going to use that other heart to cover it. And then you'll need a scrap piece of paper to put the heart, the copper heart or the gold heart on, and we're going to fussy cut that and creating a mat to give it more of a dimension, more of a separation, so you can see the two pretty well. Okay, so there's my fussy cutting skills to work here. In the beginning, when I learned how to fussy cut, I did not like it. It was just annoying to me. But after a while, when there was a lot of projects that required fussy cutting, you know, because you don't have dies for all of the shapes that that you have, I actually quite like it. Believe it or not, I find it a little bit peaceful. So yeah, there we go. Oh, and I should show you, okay, maybe I'll show you really quickly here. When you fussy cut, you are actually cutting, you're looking at here, okay? So you're making it match the corner of this to the corner of the scissors, not the point of the scissors, it's like the edge of the scissor. And that's where you're following the cut. My right side is usually staying still while I am guiding it through with my left hand, okay? So I kind of should have explained that a little bit, but see how I'm keeping it still, but it's my left hand that's moving. Maybe I'll have a video on just fussy cutting and the art of a perfect fussy cut. Okay, this is okay here. This is okay. Okay, so now we're going to add glue to this, to the back of this little heart here. There we go. Okay. And yes, I will be applying some pressure over here, but yes, there you have it. There is one, there's another, and here's another few that I've made. This one here I made last year, and I just liked the way it looked, but I just wanted to use a different kind of paper. So yeah, there you go. But there you have it, folks. Let me know if you liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And also share your videos with anybody who you feel would love any kind of paper crafting projects. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so. Okay, until next time, take it easy. Bye.